9 Best Headrest with Built-in DVD Player 2022. Are you looking for a high-quality headrest with a DVD player? Perchance, this informative video is a complete guide to helping you make the right choice. Although, most people are not aware of the significance of headrests until they have problems. The headrest is essential to a car's safety and comfort system. When you are driving a car, it provides a kind of comfort for you and your passengers. Additionally, a good headrest DVD player for your vehicle will also offer safety in the case of a rear-end collision. Your body and head will move forward simultaneously if there is any impact from the vehicle's rear. Essentially, the headrest is placed on seat tops in your car to prevent injury to the cervical vertebrae if a collision occurs. They are also called head restraints and have been named one of the automotive industry safety features. This product has prevented lots of injuries since its invention. Without much ado, let's get started. Headrest with DVD player. This device provides maximum comfort and entertainment in the car. If you are driving and traveling with a bunch of noisy kids on a long journey, this is a way to keep them occupied while you get some peace. Similarly, if you are using your vehicle for a transport business, you can also entertain your passengers and simultaneously provide them with safety. Nevertheless, there are different headrest DVD players for your car, and they are so easy to set up and use. But just like everything out there, you might get confused about which one to choose. Notwithstanding, I will guide you on that to get value for your money's worth. The most portable headrest players sold on Amazon are: Number 1. Fangor 10 inches Dual Car DVD Player Portable Headrest. If you are looking for a durable and quality headrest with a DVD player, this is for you since it has excellent ratings. This device has a CD player and a lasting battery of 5 hours while functioning. You will have access to 2 monitors which will be showing the same movie at the same time. Its speaker can provide unmistakable sound for and then AV out, which supports synchronization to a television screen or other DVD players. Pros: it comes with 2 brackets and a strap, making it easy to mount your player on the headrest without moving DVD players. If you take a break from a movie and then return to it later, it will start from where you left off as it is built-in flash memory. It is compatible with multimedia devices like CD, DVD, CDR/RW, VCD, and others. You will also have access to 100% customer service any time of the day. Number 2. Fangor 10.5 inches Dual DVD Player for Car Portable Headrest. This device is an upgraded version of the preceding one, and they almost have the same function. This portable player has an HD 1024x800 with 2 monitors playing the same movie. It can work non-stop for 5 hours. A 2800 mAh rechargeable lithium battery powers it. This version also came with 2 AC adapters. It is about $111.99 on Amazon. Pros: you can play any format of the disc, ranging from CD, DVD, DVD-R/+R, VCD, and several others. It also has the flash memory feature. Indeed, this is a unique headrest with a DVD player for your car. Number 3. Naviscato 10.1 inches Dual Car DVD Players. This car headrest DVD player is portable with features like 2 headphones, resume, HDMI input, AV out and in, HDMI input, and USB SD. With this, playing different or the same DVD simultaneously is possible. Although, your children can also change discs by themselves as its design is super convenient. Pros: it is straightforward to use and easily adjusted to different sizes of headrests. Perchance, it can sync videos from devices like PC, mobile phones, or Xbox. It comes with 1 AV cable, 2 headphones, 2 car DVD players, 2 IR remote controls, 2 mounting brackets, 1 AV cable, 1 car charger splitter, and 18 months warranty. Additionally, you get to enjoy 100% customer support. Number 4. 2022 Headrest DVD Car Player. This is a dual car headrest player with 2 kids headphones. This product has stylish buttons and provides services like music, movies, and even games. It also has AV out and in with USB ports. Pros: it is effortless to install and is compatible with any vehicle. All you need to do to install is to mount, fix the bracket and apply screws, and it does not even change the appearance of the car seats. Cons: it only supports resolution within 720 by 480 and cannot support 720p or 1080p. You should also know that you cannot adjust the volume on the DVD player but only on the headphones. Number 5. Rockville RDP 711BK 7 inches Black Car Headrest Monitors with DVD. This product has over 150 ratings. Its monitor has a high resolution of 7 inches. Additionally, it has a front DVD player and one AV unit. Pros: it has 800 by 480 resolution and provides viewers with a widescreen. Then it has an inbuilt FM transmitter that connects to the car stereo system. Number 6. 2022 Headrest DVD Player Universal. This device is a touchscreen player for kids. It has a 10.1 inches DVD player with a 1024 by 600 resolution. In addition, it provides services like videos, music, and games. It also has built-in HDMI inputs, speakers, and USB/SD ports. Pros: it is straightforward to install even for someone without prior experience and is compatible with any vehicle. Number 7. Fangor 7.5 inches Dual Car DVD Player, Headrest Video CD Player. This electronic product has 2 screens and supports USB/SD card readers. It has a dual-screen car DVD player with clear pictures and can also play the same videos on 2 screens. Similarly, this device has an AV output that allows the leading player to connect to more extensive TV views. Pros: it has a built-in rechargeable with a Li-ion battery that can last for 4 to 5 hours. Another advantage is the built-in high speaker, which you can adjust for up to 20 decibels. It supports different video formats such as DVD, CDR, VCD, DVD-R/+R, and several ones. Additionally, you get a 12 months warranty. Number 8. Pumpkin 10.1 inches Headrest Car DVD Player. This car headset has free headphones and supports 1080p video. It is also compatible with MPEG, MP4, AVI, and TRP formats. Additionally has a USB/SD card of up to 128 GB with a FAT32 design. Its built-in HDMI function can let you sync up to 1080p videos from your smartphone, computer, or Xbox. Pros: you can continue playing films from where you last left them with the resume feature. In addition to that, you can adjust the angle freely for a better view. Number 9. Naviscato 10.1 inches Dual-Screen Portable DVD Player for Car. This headrest for a car has a rechargeable battery and the last memory. It can sync on 2 screens and connect to the host DVD player with an AV cable. Although, Naviscato supports both USB and SD card readers. This DVD headrest player for cars allows its users to play all the media downloaded and watch while on the road. Pros: it is elementary to install and operate. It also supports multiple formats of files with an 18-month guarantee. If you want something durable and lasting, this device with a DVD player is suitable for you to consider buying. To wrap up the content of this video, I have detailed the benefits of the headrest in your car and highlighted the 9 best headrests with DVD players. Similarly, you have altogether learned of some of the best portables for easy, pleasant, and convenient use of these devices. You can choose and get one for your vehicle on Amazon with the available features and services you would consider. To have a safe and pleasant ride. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And also, like, and share this video, and I will see you in my next video.